Hi girls, it's Carolala here. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I do my makeup within 5 minutes. So I think this video is very related back to myself because I'm always in the crazy situation that I'm running late and I don't have enough time to do my makeup. So I hope I can show you some tips that which part you should be more focused in a very rush time and which part you can just skip. Let's start. So I already set up my timer. So let's start it. Primer, very important. Always use primer at the very first step. And the foundation. Use the brush to brush it on my face, all over your face. Don't forget, brush your ears and neck as well. A little bit more. Foundation. Now you want to use the concealer to highlight your T-zone and your cheek. I'm going to use beauty blender. Blend it to make my T-zone more stand out. Okay, and setting powder. Set that all over your face. Okay, and next one is my eyebrows. The hardest part in my life. Okay, it takes me forever. But you know, eyebrows are very important. You need to spend some time, even if you don't have very rushed time to do your makeup. Brush it very fast. Okay, so after eyebrows, I'll say to go your eyeliners. Eyeliners are very important. And eyeshadows. So if you're in a very rush time, you can just use one color to put on your eyelid. One color is good enough. To make your eye more stand out. And the next one, going to use quick and on the cheek. And lipstick. While you are doing your lipstick, you can just quick do the contour. more time. If you have more time, I would suggest you to do more contour on your face. Oh, time's up. Okay, so now it's 5 minutes. So this is pretty much my 5 minutes makeup look. If you are running late to go to school or go to work, I think you can just follow the steps that I just did. And I hope you feel it's useful for you. And if you have any makeup tips that you want to share with me, just leave the comment below. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Bye!